Hello and welcome to my class. Today I am here with an interesting question. The question is how to measure 4 liters from the buckets that are 5 liter and 3 liter. You can see the bucket 1 can measure up to 5 liters. Bucket 2 can measure up to 3 liters of water, and this is our spare bucket 3. So we will have to make use of these two buckets only to measure the water. That is our question. We don't have to, in these buckets we don't have any measuring scale or something like that. You can measure up to 5 liters and you can measure up to 3 liters. So we have to measure a total of 4 liters of water using these two. That is our question. Hope you understood the question. Think over it, and in case you are not able to figure out the solution, look for the solution on the next slide. So we are on the next slide, and here you can see this is bucket 1 that can measure up to 5 liter. This is bucket 2 that can measure up to 2 liters. First of all, we will fill this bucket completely with 5 liters and transfer the water into this bucket and fill this bucket completely. So this bucket will have 3 liter and this bucket we are left with only 2 liters because initially we took 5 liters and transferred 3 liters into this bucket. So far you are clear? Now this bucket contains 3 liter and we will transfer this into a spare bucket 3 liter. So now this contains 3 liters, this contains 0 liter. We have emptied this bucket, so this is 0 liter now in the second step. So finally we are having 2 liters in the first bucket, 0 liter in the second bucket, and 3 liters in our spare bucket. This is the latest update that we have right now. As discussed on the previous page, the first bucket contains 2 liter, second bucket contains 0 liter, and spare bucket, that is bucket number 3, contains 3 liter. Now what we are going to do? We are going to transfer this 2 liter into this bucket. So now this bucket, which was earlier 0, will contain 2 liter and this will become 0 because we have transferred the entire content into this. So this is now 0. So 0 liter and 2 liter. In the next step, we will fill this with 5 liters of water. Because the volume it can contain is 5 liters, so we will fill up. This is now empty bucket, so we will fill it with 5 liter. And remember, in the previous step we had only 2 liters, so we will fill this up. That means it will contain 1 liter more. So this will have now, it was having 2 liters, so it will contain 2 plus 1, and this was 5 liter, so we will be able to transfer only 1 liter from here, and that will go to this bucket. So finally we have bucket 1 having 4 liters and this bucket is having 3 liters. So we were asked to measure 4 liters. So this bucket will contain 4 liters of water. Now this is one method of solving this question. There is another method as well. If you can write in the comment section what is the other method, then probably I can collect few of the correct answers and announce some prize in my coming videos. I have not decided yet, but yes, I will definitely do that. So just need to find the second, what could be the second way of measuring, another way of measuring 4 liters out of 5 liter bucket and 3 liter bucket, other than what I explained here. I hope it is clear. Wish you good luck. Thank you very much. Write your comments and write your method that you have found, you have thought of in the comment, and I will select the correct comment and draw lottery, and definitely I'm going to reward you with some surprise gift. So do mention your email ID so that I can contact you with your comments. Thank you very much once again. Have a nice day.